this LeetCode challenge, which is sort vowels in a string. So in this problem, we are given with a string and it contains small case or capital case letters. And what we have to do is we have to sort all the vowels in that string in the ascending order. And we don't have to make any change to the consonants position. So, okay, let's have a look on this example. This input string is given to us and it is having capital E, E, and O as a vowels, and rest of the other characters are consonants. And in the resultant string, we just have to sort these three characters, and the rest of the characters will be as it is on their initial position. So resultant string should be L, which is having the least ASCII value in these three vowels. So which is A E, and then capital O, then T, C, E will come here at this position, D, E. So this will be our resultant string. So what I have done to solve this question, I just straight away did the brute force approach. I just maintained a priority queue for to store all the characters in this given string, which are vowels. In the first iteration, I'll just add all these vowels to the priority queue, and which will sort all the characters as per their increasing order of ASCII values. And in the second iteration, I will just replace these vowels with the actual um, occurrence of the character, vowel character from the priority queue. So instead of E, I will add the least ASCII vowel from this priority queue, and so on. So let's try to write the code of this approach. So here, like let's take a priority queue. Along with the priority queue, we will just have to tell them like what order we have to choose. So for every character, we'll just compare its value as per its ASCII associated to it. So we'll write our custom comparator, comparing it, comparing int here. We'll pass lambda. Character will be considered as the integer value of this character. So integer value will give the ASCII value associated to it. Let's maintain a string builder to store our answer. String builder sp new string builder. Okay, let's do the first iteration. Character ch s dot to character array. And for each character, if it is a vowel, priority queue dot offer ch. If it is a vowel, we will add it in our priority queue. And for the next iteration, if it is a vowel, in that case we will do something, otherwise we'll just append it in our answer. Sp dot append character, and in the last we'll just return our string builder to string. So here we will write our logic. So if it is a vowel, so what we will append is we will get one element from this priority queue, pq dot poll. And here we can write a function boolean is vowel. We will check for all the vowel characters. Let's try to submit this problem. We are passing C as a input variable. Let's run again. Leeteo. Okay. Okay, this will be as a part of else part. Either it is a vowel or consonant. Okay, this was a bug. Okay, all the test cases are passed. Sample test cases. Now try to submit it. Okay, it is submitted, but it is not that much fast. So to enhance the time further, what we can do is like instead of taking a priority queue, we can maintain the hash table for that. So in the hash table, we can maintain the frequency of each character, and for each character, we will just iterate through that frequency map, and we'll add that in our resultant set as per the like what do we call that counting sort. Okay, I will add that solution as well in the description below, so you can have a look over that as well. Thank you. Limitation of this approach is that we are taking a priority queue, which is going to take extra space for processing, and as well as it might also lead to some delay in the time as well. So instead of priority queue, we can have another approach because we are given that in our input variable as we can only have uppercase and lowercase characters. So if we can only have uppercase and lowercase character, why don't we maintain a hash table for that? Hash table for all the, or let's say for all the frequency 257 size array we can take, and we can fill for all the characters ASCII. For all the character ASCII, we'll just maintain the count. So in this approach, I just took a hash function and just stored the frequency. And so whenever we encounter a vowel in our given input string, I will move to the character which is having a count in the actual array, and then take that character and subtract its frequency. Okay. So in this way, let's say we are traveling from this hash table. Firstly, we will encounter capital E and then capital O, then small e. Because you already know that from capital A to capital Z, they have lesser ASCII value as compared to small A to Z. Okay, so we will get the vowels in the sorting order. So let's submit this problem as well. So in this way, we have improved our time a lot. Okay, thank you guys. I'm attaching this problem solution in the description as well.